Several months ago, I walked into my house and found I had 5 new water features. Two waterfalls in the living room, a swimming pool in the basement, and a pond upstairs. My washing machine had broken down, and I knew exactly what to do. I called Frank from Anchor Water Damage and Restoration. Within 30 minutes, he was at my house. Tore up my carpet, ripped out my walls, took down the ceiling, installed half a dozen fans, and every day he monitored the humidity in the room, took care of all the details with the insurance company, and it was painless to a point, and effortless on my part, and I would recommend it to anybody for carpet cleaning or water damage and